Hello you guys, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. You guys, I'm going to go ahead today and harvest some of my elephant garlic. It is time for these ones to come up. So I'm going to go ahead and take these guys out. They might not even be big because this weather has not been right. So I'm quite sure they're not big for what they're supposed to be. And these are elephant garlic, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them up. I can still use them, so let's go ahead and harvest these elephant garlic. So if you guys can see how they have turned yellow and they're starting to bend over, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. They're in there pretty deep, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these on up. Oh no, I'm gonna dig it out. So this is the elephant garlic. So that's one of them. It can get much bigger, but it's time for it to come out. So that is the garlic, the elephant garlic. Dig out all of these in here. They're supposed to be a lot bigger than this, but they're not. They're not the size they should be. So, but you guys, we can eat them, right? That's all that matters. And I mean, they're in here. They're in here. Oh, look at that. Let's see. The elephant garlic. Let's go ahead and get the other two. Look at there, you guys. That one's a good one too. They can get a lot bigger, but this is what we got this year. This is what we got so far this year. Go ahead and take out this one. Now I will be planting this again. I really like elephant garlic for its mild taste. Got a little golf ball size one here. See. But see how it's all is done. So this is as big as it's going to get. Okay. Go ahead and clean my beds back up. I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, and harvest. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest one more. I think this one here is through. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest this one. It needs to come out, and he's not that big either. Started to put on like little babies. They're hard too, you guys. But that's this one. It started to clove. But it's through. See? So that's that. that's that for this. But you see how it was lumping here, lumping there. It was starting to form its big bulb, but it's not going to. So that would be that. And so let's see, you guys. We're gonna go over here. I think I still have some time on these. See, these are still good. So these are still strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave those. But that was our harvest today for our elephant garlic. Can't complain, right? Can't complain. So here, you guys, is our elephant garlic. They did not bulb up. It doesn't look like it. This looks like just one big, yeah. But look at that. Look at that, you guys. So this is our elephant garlic harvest, you guys, today. Next year, well, this year, I'll make sure that I do this a little bit differently, and making sure that I probably get it down just a tad bit earlier. So I will be doing that. So, but you guys, this is our harvest today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget, you guys, to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification so you guys will be notified when I upload a video. So y'all, this is our harvest of today. Yay. This is our harvest. Woo. There's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.